Russia's invasion of Ukraine inspired Finland and Sweden to forego decades of military neutrality and apply for NATO membership. Now, both nations, of course, have significant fighting forces. CNN's Nina Dos Santos shows us what Sweden has to offer the Western alliance. Have a look at this.
Gripen is more than a fighter. It's a national asset that protects sovereign independence and propels a nation towards a more secure future.
Being in this aircraft is like being inside the rocket. We fly a thing like this in that speed. It's absolutely amazing. Using our avionics system is a completely new way of managing information.
Efficiency, flexibility, power. Only one modern fighter has them all in perfect balance.